Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSim that will work in Sudan. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me, and show you how to do it. Link and coupon will be in the description. Okay, open this description and click on link voyafly.com and open this website. Right, and write Sudan and click on this data eSim Sudan. eSim is high-speed 4G, 5G, no download or registration, keep your WhatsApp number, instant activation under 5 minutes. Choose a fixed data plan, 1 GB, 3 GB, 5 GB, 7 days, 2 weeks and 1 day, 30 days. Alright, click on this, 30 days, and buy 2 eSim, discount this, buy 4 eSim, discount this, and buy 6 eSim, discount this. This is very good. And this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eSim, right, and this one. And click on add to cart or buy it now. Click on buy it now. And write discount code raw tips. And click on apply. This discount $6.20 and click on Google Pay or email address and card number, date, security code, name of card. Select your country and write first name, last name, address, postal code, city, phone, and click on buy it now and buy eSim. And send your email QR code eSim and scan QR code and open settings and add your phone eSim. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.